Look closely at your face the next time you're in the mirror. Fine lines, dull skin, maybe even brain fog or low energy. Here's the uncomfortable truth most people don't hear. A lot of aging isn't happening in your bathroom. It's happening on your plate. Every single day, people spend money on creams and treatments while unknowingly eating foods that speed up wrinkles, inflammation, and cellular aging. But what if you flipped that? What if some of the most powerful anti-aging tools on earth were already in your kitchen? Welcome back to Holistic Health. Today, I'm revealing the top 10 anti-aging foods you need now. Foods backed by science that defend your skin, sharpen your brain, calm inflammation, and help you age more slowly from the inside out. And make sure you stay until the end. Number 10 shocks almost everyone, yet it has one of the strongest youth-preserving effects of all. Food number 1, blueberries. Small fruit, serious skin defense. Let's start small, because this is where many people underestimate nutrition. Blueberries may look harmless, but they're loaded with anthocyanins, compounds that actively fight free radicals, one of the fastest drivers of wrinkles and sagging skin. Free radicals break down collagen and elastin, the very fibers keeping your skin firm. Blueberries slow that damage from the inside. And here's the bonus most people don't expect. They also sharpen memory and protect the brain. So you're not just aging better on the outside, you're staying sharper on the inside too. A handful a day in smoothies, yogurt, or oatmeal is enough. Consistency beats quantity every time. Food number 2, green tea, daily cellular armor. If there's one drink that quietly outperforms most supplements, it's green tea. Green tea is packed with catechins, antioxidants that defend your cells against oxidative stress, aging at its deepest level. People who drink green tea regularly tend to have better skin elasticity, fewer fine lines, lower inflammation overall. Here's the interesting part. Aging isn't about stopping damage, it's about repairing faster than damage accumulates. Green tea helps your body do exactly that. Just avoid boiling water and skip the sugar. Simple habits compound into long-term youth. Food number 3, pomegranates, the collagen guardian. This is where skin aging quietly accelerates. As we age, collagen breakdown speeds up, and most people don't slow it down. Pomegranates contain compounds that shield collagen fibers from inflammation and oxidative attack. That means smoother texture, better firmness, and slower visible aging. What many people don't realize is that pomegranates also enhance memory and circulation, two systems tightly linked to longevity. Eat them fresh, sprinkle them on salads, or enjoy juice in moderation. Your future skin will thank you for this one. Food number 4, leafy greens, where youth begins. Most people skip this. Let's be honest, this is where many diets fall apart. Leafy greens like spinach and kale are loaded with vitamin C, beta-carotene, and lutein, nutrients your body uses to build youthful cells. Vitamin C fuels collagen production. Lutein protects your eyes from age-related decline. And here's what people overlook. Your skin reflects your gut and detox systems, and leafy greens keep both running smoothly. If you want a foundation for youthful aging, this is it. One serving a day, raw or lightly cooked.
Food 5, avocados, feeding your skin from within. Dry, aging skin isn't always a skincare issue. Often, it's a fat deficiency. Avocados deliver healthy monounsaturated fats and vitamin E, nutrients that reinforce your skin's moisture barrier. When that barrier is strong, your skin holds hydration and resists environmental stress. They also calm chronic inflammation, one of the silent accelerators of aging. If you've been avoiding fats, this is where most people get it wrong. Healthy fats don't age you, they slow aging down. Food number 6, nuts. Tiny foods, long-term payoff. This one surprises people because it seems too simple. Nuts, like walnuts and almonds, provide omega-3s, minerals, and antioxidants that cool inflammation and strengthen blood vessels. That translates to better circulation, healthier skin tone, stronger heart and brain function. You don't need a lot. A small handful daily is enough. Aging well isn't about extremes, it's about repeatable habits. Food number 7, tomatoes, internal sun defense. Here's a myth worth clearing up. You can't undo sun damage, but you can strengthen your skin's resilience. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, an antioxidant that reduces UV-related skin damage from within. They don't replace sunscreen, but they reinforce your skin's natural defenses. And here's the twist. Cooking tomatoes actually boosts lycopene absorption. Simple foods, smart preparation, long-term benefits. Food number 8, turmeric, slowing aging at the root. Few things age the body faster than chronic inflammation. Turmeric's active compound, curcumin, directly calms inflammatory pathways tied to joint pain, brain aging, and skin breakdown. This isn't surface-level aging, this is deep cellular wear and tear. Always pair turmeric with black pepper. Without it, absorption stays low. Used consistently, turmeric helps your body age more smoothly, not abruptly. Food number 10, extra virgin olive oil, a longevity staple. There's a reason the Mediterranean lifestyle stands out. Extra virgin olive oil is rich in polyphenols and healthy fats that strengthen blood vessels, reduce inflammation, and nourish skin cells. People who use it regularly don't just live longer, they age better. Swap it in as your main oil. Cold-pressed, high quality. This one habit pays dividends for decades. Food number 11, dark chocolate. Yes, really. This is the one almost everyone doubts. High-quality dark chocolate, 70% cocoa or more, is packed with flavonoids that improve circulation and skin oxygenation. Better blood flow means better nutrient delivery to your skin. It also boosts mood, and mental health plays a larger role in aging than most people admit. The key is restraint. One small square, high quality. Aging well doesn't mean suffering. So, those are the top 10 anti-aging foods you need now. No extreme diets, no miracle products, just consistent, science-backed choices that slow aging from the inside out. Now, I want to hear from you. Which one food will you start eating this week? Comment below and lock in that commitment. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because next time we'll talk about everyday habits that secretly age you faster than food ever could. Until then, stay healthy, stay consistent, and keep glowing.